In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add an on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. Adding an on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 is crucial for enhancing accessibility and usability. This provides essential support for users with physical disabilities, allowing them to input text more easily. And for touchscreen devices such as tablets and convertible laptops, it enables convenient typing when a physical keyboard is not available. To do this, simply head to your settings. Click on the Accessibility option. You will then navigate onto the option of Keyboard right here. In the section of On-Screen Keyboard, make sure to enable this option. A screen keyboard will successfully appear onto your screen. This keyboard serves as a valuable backup when the physical keyboard malfunctions, ensuring uninterrupted device use. That's how easy it is to enable an on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.